On a remote Antarctic island, the changing climate is leaving one seabird at the mercy of the forces of nature. Grey-headed albatrosses are one of the world's most endangered seabirds. They inhabit the stormy southern ocean that surrounds the continent of Antarctica, nesting on isolated islands. Cameraman John Aitchison travelled to Bird Island off South Georgia to film them for the BBC series 7 Worlds, 1 Planet.
Albatrosses are the ultimate wind bird. They're built with these massively long wings for dealing with strong winds. And that's how they travel so far across the open ocean, how they go and find food, and they bring the food back to their chicks. It's wet here, so their solution to that is to build these elevated nest platforms for their chicks, so the chicks can stay dry.
Each conical nest is constructed from grass and mud.
It's like a display stand.
These raised, isolated nests should keep the chicks safe. But even here, in the remotest regions of the planet, the albatrosses are threatened by human activities.
I've been to Bird Island twice before, and there's a catastrophic change happening in their lives.
Over the past few decades, the grey-headed albatross population here has halved. Long-line fishing by Antarctic trawlers has been responsible for many albatross deaths. But there is a new danger, which could prove even more devastating. As we burn fossil fuels, releasing more greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, temperatures in the Antarctic are rising. And that changing climate is altering weather patterns, contributing to an increase in storms and strong winds.
The problem is now, it's becoming so windy that the chicks are actually getting blown off the nests.
Many are unable to climb back to safety.
And those chicks are doomed. So there's a bird that lives by the wind that's now suffering as the wind's getting too strong for them. They'll all disappear, and over time, I suppose, people will forget that they were even ever here. Just remember that there were things called albatrosses, but no one will see them anymore. Their legacy will be this grassy hillside and not much else.
The plight of the grey-headed albatross is a stark reminder that our impact on the planet is now so great, we are threatening wildlife in even the most isolated and inaccessible places on Earth, and why efforts to reduce climate change are more important than ever.